Paul Chin Jr. I'm a cloud software engineer at Cloud Reach, where the unofficial tagline that I just invented is that we reach for the clouds. We partner with our clients to really leverage the right cloud technologies to solve your specific business problems. We kind of size up what you currently have and then figure out what your on-prem looks like, if it's actually able to be moved to the cloud. Do you have a landing zone? Do you have the proper governance in place? But then my part, the more exciting part, is application development. On my team, we do app dev and we modernize your application. So we try to figure out, are there different technologies that AWS is providing or different cloud services that are out there that can make your application scale better, run more efficiently, and just bring more business value. Real quick, can everybody in the back hear me? Nice. If you can't hear me, just go like this. If you love what I'm doing, go like this. If you hate what I'm doing, just walk away. I don't want to hear it. All right, and so like I said, my team focuses on the application and making the application the best it can using the newest best practices and sort of delivery methods that the cloud has. We love Lambdas, right? Who here has used the Lambda function? Good. More of y'all need to use Lambda functions. They're amazing, and now with the state of serverless framework, you can really jump into it and get into the benefits really quickly. Now, this talk today is going to be about step functions, but I wanted to get a baseline on Lambdas, why they're cool, and how step functions can make them sing even better. So this is sort of your classic serverless architecture diagram. This is the one that we ship out to everyone. This is the one you put on your blogs. This is the one you point to when you want to impress somebody. So I'm pointing it to it right now. Y'all should be very impressed. It's nice and clean. We have a static front end that's served up by an S3 bucket. We're using Cognito to create some user authentication. And we've got a bunch of Lambdas behind an API gateway in order to do the business logic. And maybe once in a while we'll write the DynamoDB in order to, I don't know, save some stuff somewhere, because that has to happen in an application. So who's deployed something like this? Yeah, it's fun. We do it all day long. We love trying to move monolithic applications and start breaking them up, right? But this is kind of actually what does happen. We end up like making a new Lambda here and making another Lambda here, and then we got arrows that go somewhere else, and we need more API gateways, more, and like more database connections, and now all of a sudden we need a random EC2 instance to handle the database connection pools, and stuff just gets nuts, right? And I wanted to talk about some of the best practices that we've learned in helping our clients in deploying some of these applications. And as serverless architecture is really gaining traction, our clients want to know how to benefit from them. And we've been able to look at best practices from the community. Everybody here, you all are a part of this community, and it makes it great, right? Where we can learn from one another, from our actual experiences, so that we can deliver some solution that will work for the customer. So I like to use terms like serverless architecture, distributed systems, microservice architecture, but what that really means is decoupling. Like in my mind, as an engineer, when I'm trying to figure out how to write this application as the best it can be, I try to decouple as much as possible, right? We try to put all of the Lambdas and make them one specific little tiny function. It's going to do one thing that's going to do it really, really well. And that's best practice. You should have your functions do one thing and do it really, really well.